Hey guys, I just wanted to say, this is one of my first 2 times using this lighter, Clipper. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed by this lighter. It's refillable, it's got the little refillable thing right here. And you also can take this thing out, place a flint, which is pretty amazing. But all together, I gotta admit, you know, I still love Bic, and I have a lot more Bics than this. I have a lot more Bic. I'm still impressed by Bic. I still love Bic, but I admit, maybe Clipper's better. I really don't like this lighter. Really am. And it's refillable. But overall, I will always say Zippo is the best. But for butane, Clipper might be better than Bic, but Zippo is always going to be better than cheapo lighter, than like Clipper and Bic. But overall, I am very impressed by you, Clipper. Very impressed. You might be better than Bic now, to me, but I still have a lot more Bic, so I really like this lighter. I really do. Thanks for your time.